So we are having this beautiful handcrafts. So I am having the entrepreneur with me. So will you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Preetha. I'm having my brand in this event of Met Gala. My brand name is Bohoman, where we create hand painted totes, pouches, and everything hand painted you can find over here. Please come, please visit our stalls. There are multiple stalls over there. There will be fantastic events going on in these 3 days, 25th, 22nd, 26th, and 27th. Please come and visit us. We will be happy to serve you. Thank you.
That's a great thing. She's such a energetic and jovial soul, and these are beautiful handmade things. So we would be going to other stalls as well. So here you could see the crowds. It's totally crowded, and they are having a good sale, I guess. So I don't know whether she would be able to give us an interview or not, but this is what I can say is something keychains are there, and obviously young students do love to buy these things. So and thread like things are also there. This is pretty handmade things, and this is eco-friendly as well. So I would like to ask, but I don't think she would be able to answer our questions. Let's move to another stall. Okay, here we can see not only artifacts, apparels or jewelries or handicrafts, but also the food stalls. So what is this, sir?
Party chapter. Party chapter.
Okay, this is a Bengali cuisine. That is
Try
very...
it a little bit.
Okay, I would love to try
Yeah,
it.
sure, sure. No, 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 no. Just spread your hand.
Okay, so I'm trying this. Such a delicious it is. It's amazing. So, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Ma'am, actually, I have just started this business, so let's see what happens in the future.
Really very tasty. I would like to say Gram Banglar je party shopter flavor is there in
Sweets of Kolkata, and I have
bites
one
of it.
Instagram page, Sweets of Kolkata.
Sweets of Kolkata. So he is from Sweets of Kolkata. So I would request you people to follow his page and to support this young entrepreneur. Things. So could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Pragya from Room 204. I make handmade diaries.
Okay, so that's very nice thing. So, what inspired you to start this thing?
Basically, I am very much into journaling, but they don't have, like, usually it's very boring diaries in the market, like same binding, same stitch. So I thought I'll learn it. So then I have a page where now I sell.
That's a great thing, and it's she's enjoying her work because it's a hobby as well as she likes to sell something. She's earning pretty good, and this is a great starter. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Okay, let's move to the another stall. Okay, this is also a jewelry stall, and this is something lot. Okay,
People, for the students and people who will be attending, and we are friends with art. We make real flower resin jewelry. We have trinkets, real sunflowers, daisies, bougainvilleas, and a lot more. And we also have mystery boxes. Have planned a lot of interesting things for the people who will be visiting. So I hope everybody will come and enjoy.
so you can see this particular event is full of interesting things, and the stalls are having such a beautiful things to witness. So I would request people to come up and witness these things. I can see how beautifully she has made these things, and these are all real flowers.
Yes,
Huh? Okay,
they're all real flowers.
that's a great thing. This is something people could cherish as memories also. That's okay. So let us move to the another stall. Okay, these are all trade things. So this is a thing of like everything is here, like a gala cut করে দেবে। So I'm seeing here some very delicious desserts, and we have ma'am with us. So I would like you to introduce yourself as well as your stall.
बॉर्ना बेक्स माई स्टॉल का नाम है। तो यहाँ पर डिज़र्ट सब कुछ मिलता है।
ये सब आप खुद बनाती है?
होममेड, टोटल होममेड।
Okay, she is an independent lady. She is baking this delicious pastries, desserts, and she has set up a stall here, and it's looking really tasty. And let's move on to the other stall as well. Here also we can see these jewelry stalls, and very young girl is here. So I would like to ask you, how are you feeling to be a part of this event? Tell in Bengali as well. Okay, she is a bit shy, no worries, but she is doing great at this young age. Okay, now this is something very nice. Some beautiful paperworks, creative artistic talent. So, what are this?
These are handmade products. Actually, I am not the owner.
Is it Shivangi's stall? Okay, okay, I know her. To cut করে দিও এটা বলা যাবে না। So here we can see that people are buying things from this pretty girl. So here she is showcasing. What are you showcasing here, by the way?
These are all handmade products, handmade jewelry. You can see bookmarks over here. You can see keychains. I have not got time yet to put up the fridge magnets, so they are pretty too. So everything here in this stall is fabric made, and it is sustainable also, and it is hand painted by me. Everything here is handmade, so handmade is heart made.
That's great. So do you have any social media page?
Absolutely. It's rustic_roots by Ritvika. It's rustic roots by Ritvika. So you can find me on Instagram.
That's great. She is really making some great handmade things.
I'll just show my cards.
Oh, that's so. So I wish all the best to this pretty lady.
And all the products are very affordable. I have kept it in a range so that everyone can buy it. So my product starts from around 30 rupees, and the maximum amount of the product is 350 rupees.
That's great. She is doing very nice things. Her creation are amazing. So, how far you are enjoying this event?
I just came, so I'm just enjoying setting up my stall so far. So let's see how it goes. I hope that I will enjoy a lot.
Okay, let's move to the other stall. We can see this stall is showcasing beautiful handmade paperworks and other artifacts as well. I would ask her to introduce yourself first.
Okay, so myself Shibangi. So here I have made all these handmade products. So these are handmade pouches, CD arts, fridge magnets, and we have bookmarks and posters, and some hand painted lighters and other stuff too.
So, what inspired you to make all these things?
Like,
Is it your hobby and you get pleasure in making these things?
yes,
So, how are you enjoying this event, and you are a part of this institution as well? To share your experience of this event.
experience of this event is like we were organizing this for the past 1 month, and we had exams also. Our last exam was on 20th, so it was very hectic for us to arrange all this, but although it was very fun.
Great. So this is something very nice things. We could see the young minds are engaging in different walks. They are making eco-friendly things that people are also finding it very nice. They are buying these things from this young minds. So this is a great place where these people are getting exposure to this world of marketing as well. And so this is a very nice event that is going on.